A humble beginning. The founder of Jollibee, Tan Caktiong, is actually a chemical engineer by training who decided to go to the entrepreneurial route in 1975 after touring Filipino dairy and ice cream brand Magnolia's factory. Interestingly, while ice cream might seem like a surefire winner in the Philippines because of the tropical climate, many customers who came to both ice cream houses wanted hot meals. Caktiong capitalized on that demand, and in 1978, after having hamburgers and other hot foods outsell ice cream products year after year, he converted his former Magnolia ice cream parlors into fast food shops. Jollibee was officially born, and the family had so much confidence in the brand that they invested in registering their logo officially in the Philippines to start with, as well as incorporating the eponymous managing company Jollibee Foods Corporation. Just a year after, the family decided to franchise the first outlet of Jollibee in another part of Manila. If you enjoyed this YouTube short, click that subscribe button and check out the full video right here on Company Insight.